Felix stands happily with his friends, knowing he made the right choice. The forest is alive with vibrant colors, symbolizing unity and gratitude. Alex, Priya, and Omar, discussing effective ways to learn English faster. The setting is a school cafeteria with casual elements like trays, notebooks, and an animated atmosphere. Each scene should capture their expressions, gestures, and enthusiasm as they exchange ideas on watching shows, reading, practicing speaking, and staying consistent. Emphasize their supportive friendship and eagerness to learn. The school cafeteria during lunch with Alex, Priya, and Omar seated together at a table.
They each have trays of food, and Alex looks thoughtful, initiating the conversation. Priya and Omar are smiling, showing they're ready to chat and share ideas.
Alex looks a bit frustrated, telling his friends he's struggling to improve his English quickly. Priya and Omar listen attentively, looking concerned and supportive. Alex's hands are open, emphasizing his desire for help.
Priya is animated, gesturing with enthusiasm as she suggests watching English movies or shows with subtitles. Omar nods in agreement, and Alex looks interested, leaning in to hear her suggestion. The background shows other students in casual conversation.
Omar smiles, explaining his strategy of watching English stand-up comedy. Priya laughs, and Alex seems intrigued, considering the idea. The three friends are engaged and excited about the suggestion.
Alex shares that he listens to English songs, but finds it hard to understand the lyrics. Alex shares that he listens to English songs, but finds it hard to understand the lyrics. Priya advises Alex to read books and articles in English, using her hands to emphasize starting simple.
Alex nods, appearing determined to follow her advice. Omar listens attentively, showing that the conversation is inspiring him as well. Omar brings up speaking practice, and he gestures like he's recording himself or talking into a phone. Alex and Priya listen with enthusiasm, and Alex looks particularly encouraged, as if this idea is a breakthrough.
In the final scene, all three friends laugh and agree that consistency is key. They look supportive, with Alex feeling motivated to try the strategies. The cafeteria scene is bright and cheerful, showing the strength of their friendship and shared excitement for learning. The cafeteria scene is bright and cheerful, showing the strength of their friendship and shared excitement for learning. Each scene highlights the evolving discussion, capturing each student's enthusiasm and the warm camaraderie as they share tips for learning English faster.